safe. Now Bruno is spooning some of this chemical into a beaker there. It looks to be colorless, it looks clear. Bruno, does it smell like anything?
I don't smell anything.
Okay, so it's odorless, it's colorless. It seems to be bubbling or doing something really crazy right there. Oh, it looks like there's some fog or steam coming off of it. Which way is the fog going, up or down? Down. So we know that warm air rises, so cold air falls. This must be very, very cold. Well, let's just see how cold. In fact, if you look at our little thermocouple there, if you guys read off some of the numbers that you're seeing, let's hear them, read them off. Whoa. It keeps getting colder and colder and colder. In fact, if we leave this going, we're going to get down to minus 196 degrees Celsius. This is incredibly cold stuff. Now, one more thing about this stuff that we have here. It is in our atmosphere. It's everywhere. It's all around us right now. It makes up 78% of the air that we breathe. Does anybody know what it is? Nitrogen. That's right. This is liquid nitrogen. Liquid nitrogen. It's actually boiling at room temperature, vigorously boiling at room temperature. Now, the thing about liquid nitrogen is that as it turns from a liquid into a gas, it actually expands to 700 times its volume. It gets way bigger. A tiny amount gets really, really big. And so if we were to contain that in, say, a water bottle, not like we have any of those lying around, it would be explosive. All right? I think we should do that. What do you guys think? I don't know. They don't sound too sure. Should we do that? Oh, that's what I like to hear. I love it. I love it when you guys are excited. That's really good. So what we're going to do is we have some very special safety equipment set up here. Right here. We have a blast chamber here. So when we pour in the bottle, our liquid nitrogen, some crazy things are going to happen. I'm going to pour in some boiling hot water here to help speed up the reaction. Woo! Really hot water. Steaming all over the place. And we're also going to pour in a little bit of cold water because that boiling water is probably a little bit too hot. So we'll pour that in as well. And this blast chamber is going to allow us, when we have this reaction, for the reaction to be directed upwards.
Oh, and how are we going to know that?
Oh, that's right. The way we're going to see that, Bruno, is with our highly scientific, horribly expensive, entirely technological blast detectors. They may look like ordinary colored balls, but trust me, these things cost a fortune. So we're going to throw some of those guys in now. This is going to be a very loud reaction, so I'm going to make sure I use my earplugs. All right, and you all want to use your elephant ears. We want to make sure we're nice and safe. But again, keep your eyes open. You're definitely going to want to see this. This is the finale of the show. Elephant ears go like this. Expect a very loud explosion. All right, and one more thing. When this does explode, please do not rush up onto stage. We want to make sure nobody comes onto stage after this happens, all right? Are you ready, Bruno?
I'm ready to pour it in.
All right, let's do it. Here we go. This is the finale of What's the Matter?
All right, here we go. Pouring it into the bottle. Go. I can feel the cold. This is really cold.
Wow, it looks really cold too. We notice how much safety equipment Bruno has on right now.
Yeah. So you've heard of boiling hot. This is boiling cold. Now.
All right,
ready? Here we go. Capping it off.
Get those elephant ears ready. Okay, here we go. Make sure you do your elephant ears.